Hey guys, KopitarG here and welcome back to the brand new video. So today we are gonna do an unboxing of these Razer MacLeod headphones wireless. Are they worth the $200? Let's find out. For the start you need to open this part and it opens just like this. So the headphones are already visible. Also this USB port. To remove this plastic protection in front, you need to align this thing 90 degrees to this platform and then just put your finger inside of here.
That's what she said!
This thing is open and now you're free to take this thing out. So we can just lift the whole part, and there's also the charging port and of course this package which says welcome to the cult of Razer. So now we don't need this part anymore, we can just put it away. And first, let's open this thing. So it opens like this, and in the inside you have, well, let's put this inside. In the inside we have this Razer quick start guide, also on this side a little note. Then we have the full manuals, I think. And for the finish, this Razer chroma stickers. This is just a charging port in which you connect them to a PC or just a normal outlet. It doesn't matter. When you turn it around, you now have to click this part and this part. So now you are free to take the headset out. So I'm just gonna put it here. And for the last part is this USB, so we can just pull it out. So those are now those three things that come in this box. Now let's review them. So in comparison, these headphones are really bigger than others. That's of course because they have battery inside and all those extra features that normal headsets doesn't have it. So it also have this system which can rotate those ear cups by 90 degrees. So when you're not having the headset on your head, you can just put it down and rotate those. So it doesn't bother you like this, so you can't move your head around. But with this, you are free to move. I mean, it is a nice invention because those headphones are much bigger than others. Like they are more massive, and those ear cups are very long. So on the side they stick out very much. So this is a very good design. So you can just put it like this. So on the top it says Razer, of course, and the mechanism and everything is very, like, it's very comfortable, and these AirPods are very soft and very thick as well. So in comparison to Razer Kraken Pro, which I had on the previous headset, yeah, those are much bigger. So the next feature, of course, I'm gonna talk about is the microphone, which is retractable, which is pretty nice, but that's not everything about this microphone. If I actually turn this headset on, it has a button on the back, and when it connects, the red light starts glowing. That means that the microphone is not turned on. So if I, for example, unmute the microphone, the red light disappears. So that's a pretty good sign. If you are like playing or something and you wanna mute the microphone, you just click the button underneath it and it starts glowing red, so you know that your microphone is muted. Also for the unmute, you can also set how loud is your microphone, and on the other side you have the stuff to mute your audio and like to increase it and lower it. So this is like a very good thing because it doesn't have a cable, you can move around. It has 8 meters transmission range. So the last cool feature about this headset is that it actually has the LEDs on the side. So You can program it in the Razer Synapse, and of course when you are carrying them, you can change the color to any color you actually want. Also you have spectrum cycling and others, so when it's the daytime you don't really see it, and when you're having the headset on your head you don't actually see it on the side, so it's basically useless. But if you're like in a LAN party or something, you're probably gonna look cool. Maybe even a little bit autist, because no one pays $210, I mean euros, for the headset. But I just wanna try it out. So in conclusion, are they really worth $200? No. I'm gonna tell you that you can get a lot cheaper headphones, I mean headsets, which are basically the same audio quality, maybe a little bit worse, for like $100, $80, $50, maybe buy even used ones, so the price go down even more. Otherwise, if you have money and you're willing to spend $200 euros, then I would say buy it, because you have a lot of cool features, and the best features are that you don't have a cable, you can move around freely, and it has like 10 hours of uptime, and even more if you turn on the lights on the sides, so the battery is pretty big and it feels amazing. So yeah, that was it guys, thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and as always, see you in the next video, bye bye!